So what I'm going to show you here is a classification model. This classification model can actually, this is showing you live, it's happening right now. And this classification model actually takes a picture of a cell phone and tells you that in this picture there is a cell phone inside. We can also do it with other objects, such as a wooden spoon. Well, let's try another one with a screwdriver. And let's see what we get for this cup, coffee mug. Oh, the last one here, we have a water bottle. Yeah, basically this is what an image classification can do. And if you would like to learn how to do this and let's look back to the slide. If you would like to learn how to do this, please stay until the end of the webinar, where we will have a workshop as designed to teach you hands-on how to build your own classification model that you can deploy in a mobile phone to just impress your friends.